At EMVT I'm doing my master thesis, and I'm working on hydrogen peroxide direct synthesis, which is a part project of the ProMiSe project. Well, I will be doing some experiments concerning reaction kinetics, as well as transport kinetics through a membrane. And also I will do simulations, and this connects me directly to the ProMiSe project. In general, what was really interesting was to get like a broader picture of the project that I'm actually working in, because during my master thesis it's like very specific, concentrated on what I will be doing in my thesis, but it's nice to have an overview of what's happening in the project in general. Well, it's interesting to see what they are doing and how they are doing it. For example, concerning simulations, I will be using OpenFOAM, but many are saying that they prefer Fluent because it's a commercial, so it's easier to use, and it's just interesting to see like their perspective on the simulation part. Yeah, definitely. I have known 2 people before, but all the others I haven't. I got to know them during this 1.5 days. And it's really interesting, and they're really nice people, and it's good connections. Yeah, but I thought that her presentation was really, really interesting. Yep. And because I'm also really interested in like algorithms and optimization, so that was really cool to see what's happening like directly in chemical engineering concerning this topic.
Collaborate with our colleagues. We could talk, we could understand each other project, and we may find some solution for our problem. I learned some data about the data management. I think it's important for us for this long project because we should do storage our data properly for later use. I think we can help other people in the project. Yeah.
Okay, so I really think the research they are doing there is really interesting, and it could be applicable to our research. It would be really nice if we could cooperate. We can learn a lot from them, but I also think they could learn something from us. Yep. So it would be really, really great. Claire itself, she's a really nice woman. We just had a breakfast with her. She answered all of our questions, the project ones and the scientific ones, but also the private ones, which was really good for some girls in the group. They really did need some directions and did need some questions answered. So the modeling and simulation part was useful, but also the mentoring part from the side of Professor Adjiman was really useful for all of us.
Yeah, I'm focusing on the CHTS process, so that's formation of metal oxide nanoparticles by supercritical water. Yeah, sure. First I set up a plant, and then I characterized it, made the first experiments, and then based on these values from experiments for the diameter of the particles, I want to set up simulation and modeling. Yeah, it was pretty good to see what the other TPs are doing, so which expertise there is, and maybe also to contact them if I have a problem to see if they can help me or if I can help them. Yeah, interesting was to see the power maybe of OpenFOAM, that ANSYS also have sometimes his limits, so maybe if I get to the limit I can switch, or I can get some other informations from OpenFOAM maybe.